Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert XY scatter chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it in Excel. So firstly you need to select your text I need to insert here. So just select and click on insert, and this chart symbol, just click on it, and more pie charts. And in this list you see here this XY scooter. So just click on it, XY skater, and this you see here more types will be there, like this type, this dot or ball type, this 3D type, and more types will be there. You can select anyone which you like, so select it and click on OK. And this is insert, very easy and simple method. You can very easily insert this chart. So this way you can insert chart in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.